मन की वीणा हर रोज सजग के नवल गीत गाती है। जहाँ कर्म की पूजा करते श्रम के अटल पुजारी, श्वेत महामानव में मानव प्रतिमा जहाँ सवारी, जहाँ भविष्य की उड़ान में हर धर्मदली नंदन है, उस पावन के प्रांगण में आप सबका अभिनंदन है। My name is Kumkum Habiba, and today I am going to speak on Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Now, being a history student and not speaking about Sardar Patel ji would be an injustice to my subject history, and particularly Indian history. Because what the map of India seems today might would not have been if Patel ji would not be there. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was an exuberant political leader who played a conspicuous role in the peaceful integration of 565 princely states to the Union of India. We have celebrated 31st October as National Unity Day in the commemoration of his contribution. Sardar Patel has shaped India's rich legacy and shined with peace, unity, strength and compassion. When Prime Minister Narendra Modi gave voice for vocal for local, its root can be traced back to mid-20s, whereby Sardar Patel has lauded Gandhian model of development. With a focus on decentralization, local needs, local talents, local resources, local production, and small. He says that the future lies in a change that values happiness from sharing and caring as opposed to the vulgarity of conspicuous consumption. Though Sardar Patel has given significant contribution, it is often criticized for his characteristic approach. But I wanted to justify this with the two lines of Rashtra Govindran where he said, "Ichi Allah Swasthya और जब त्याग से काम ले या पाप है पुण्य है विच्छिन्न कर देना उसे राहत तेरी तरफ जो आए। Sardar Patel worked at his fittest to integrate India without any foreign intervention and through mediation and talks. The current geopolitical world needs to cross these values from India. The Vishnu who always emphasized that the success of humanity lies in our collective spirit and not in the category. Since today is the very day I was told to have this platform from where I can share the values of Sardar Patel, which India upholds strongly and also aspires to work. But for the upliftment of the nation, Adolf Hitler followed survival of the fittest theory on humans. Sardar Patel, for India's progress, looking for survival of the humanist, where every individual must have basic necessities for survival, has the freedom of speech, freedom of expression, and freedom to make a dream come true. It is astonishing that when the world powers are not able to negotiate for a piece of land, how Sardar Patel has integrated India with such a multitude of values. The reason was acceptance of the fact that the strength lies in unity. Carrying out the legacy of Sardar Patel, India echoes the need for collective participation, not only at the national but also at the international level, where Indian government has repeatedly lauded for global peace and prosperity, where India has emphasized that the whole world is one and unified. Now, each and every country needs to understand the importance of mutual cooperation. That is, your destruction is my destruction, your trouble is my trouble, and your prosperity is my prosperity. That is important. India believes on one to have one earth, one family, one future. Now again, before leaving this stage, I wanted to conclude my speech with the two lines of Matthew Sharad, which depicts Sardar Patel's values of humanity, fraternity, and togetherness. कि जिया नहीं वही की जो जियाना आपने लिए, और यह पशु प्रकृति है कि आप ही चले, वही मनुष्य है कि जो मनुष्य के लिए। थैंक यू सो मच। जय हिंद।